Hi, I'm Tom from Chicopee Paranormal, and I'm here to show you what our new infrared light can do. Now this is what the Sony camera comes with for infrared lighting, and we wanted to upgrade it even better. And here is with just one strip on our light. And this is with both strips on, and it gives you a full view of the room and everywhere around you. It's not like the other Sony lights, which only give you a square view. It gives you the whole view of the whole room. This actually floods the whole room, so if someone else is with you with an infrared camera, it will also help them to see in the dark too.